Put cloves in dish soap. Sounds absurd? Wait until you see what happens. It's not a joke. This seemingly simple mixture works wonders. Now add a handful of cloves to a saucepan. Cover them with water. Boil for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. During this time, your kitchen will be filled with a wonderful, spicy scent. After boiling, strain the water through a sieve. We only need the liquid. Add 100 milliliters of dish soap. Also add 100 milliliters of vinegar. Pour everything into an empty spray bottle, preferably using a funnel to avoid spillage. Close it, shake well, and you're done. Spray your couch, curtains, carpet. Allow the warm, enveloping scent of cloves to spread throughout the entire house. This homemade spray not only smells wonderful, but works better than many store-bought air fresheners. It's natural, inexpensive, and truly effective.